Alright, what's up everybody? Today I'll be replacing the billet steering wheel with this wheel. It's a Grant steering wheel, red stitching on it, aluminum. And for the hub, I went with a Grant billet one. But before I install it, I'm gonna paint it black. And I'll put a link in the description of where you can buy all this stuff at. Alright, to remove the steering wheel, I have one bolt right there. Take that off and the steering wheel come off. Here's the adapter, painted black. Now I can install it. Now, just hand tighten it for now. Now I can bolt up the steering wheel. Now that these screws are tight, now I can tighten up this middle bolt. And then to finish it off, I'll be putting this little center cap. Here's the new Grant steering wheel with the Grant billet hub.